today we are going to discuss about equivalent fraction. Okay, so I'm taking a example which is 2 upon 4. Equivalent fraction means you have to multiply it with the same number. If I'm taking 2, so numerator and denominator I'm going to multiply with 2 only. Okay, so it will be 4 upon 8. Another we will take 2 upon 4. The same example we will take. It is not important or it is not compulsory that only 2. Here only 2 we can take. You can take 3, 4, 5, any number you can take. So we will take 4 here. So 2 into 4 and 4 into 4. It is only important that you have to multiply numerator and denominator with the same number. Okay. So here it will be 8 and 16. This is what called equivalent fraction. So one more example I will give, that is 4 upon 10. Now you have to find out two equivalent fraction for 4 upon 10. So you can take it as 3. Yes, 3 you can take. So it will be 4 into 3 12 and 10 into 3 30. And the second one we will take, that is 4 upon 10. We will take 5. Any number you can take. Okay. So 4 into 5 will be 20 and 50. So that the two equivalent fraction of 4 upon 10 is 12 upon 30 and 20 upon 50. Now we will solve one question. With the help of that question, you can understand what is equivalent fraction. Okay, so the question is, write 5 equivalent fraction of 3 upon 5. Okay, so we have to find out 5 equivalent fraction. So the question is 3 upon 5. So first one will be, we will multiply it with 2. So it will be 6 upon 10. The second one we will multiply it with 3. Any number you can take. Nine and 15. The third one we will take 4. Twelve and 20. Fourth one 5. We will take 5, which will be 15 and 25. And the fifth one we will take, that is 6. 18, 30. Now what will be the answer? The answer will be the answer will be 6 upon 10, 9 upon 15, 12 upon 20, 15 upon 25, 18 upon 30. And I hope you have understood what is equivalent fraction. I will give more examples so that you can solve it. So here are 3 questions. Write 3 equivalent fraction of 6 upon 10, 2 upon 12 and 5 upon 8. You can practice this question to understand what is equivalent fraction.